Alexis is back now with a look at our forecast. What's going on outside?
Well, a lot is going to be happening over the next couple of days. We are, however, tracking right now, this morning, a little bit of snow that's trying to fall from this low pressure system, this cold front right here. Cooler air is coming in behind it. This is all from Canada, where it's also very dry. So the snow that's trying to fall is fighting a lot of dry air right now. So you might just see a few flurries flying about, but it looks like dry air for the most part is winning. I could see a little bit of snow. It looks like might be falling towards Dodgeville there. So maybe plan a couple of extra minutes into that morning commute. We're only going to be tracking this for the next about 2 hours or so. By 8-9 a.m. this system will be on out of here and we'll be good to go, but much cooler. Temperatures are actually going to continue to drop into the 20s by about the late morning hours before we warm up into the mid-30s with a lot of sunshine today, but much cooler. It's going to feel a lot more like winter out there with a high of 35 for Wednesday. Clear skies tonight, though, if you want to take a look at that planetary alignment there. It's just going to be cooler. A low of 18 is expected. Clouds will increase into Thursday as we're tracking our next system. This one's going to be a big one. We're going to start to see a few rain showers pop up tomorrow afternoon, but I wouldn't be surprised if Thursday was mostly, if not completely dry. Looks like the main event is going to be Thursday night into Friday. Friday, looking at some thunderstorms. This is a very spring-like setup for us with a severe threat. We're going to talk about that in just a second. Any snow that does fall makes it to the ground. We're looking at just a dusting, mostly on just those grassy and elevated surfaces. Roads should be okay through the rest of your Wednesday. But as we track out the rain from Thursday through Saturday, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall here. This is going to be a big soaker for us, especially with those thunderstorms going to provide that heavier rainfall for a longer period of time. So what we're going to start with Thursday night into Friday, a warm front's going to lift over the region. That means that temperatures are going to warm through Thursday night. By Friday morning, we're starting out the day in the 50s. But then here comes this system right here. Now, this is a very spring-like severe setup for us. This right here, this circle, this is what we call the triple point. It's going to kind of set up in, it looks like eastern Iowa. That's where it looks like a few severe storms will be popping up there. Now, the question is, will it make its way into southern Wisconsin? It's very possible. On the backside of this system, though, we'll just see this cooler air funnel in behind it, so a little bit of light snow is possible by Saturday morning. But we got definitely after the snow this morning, our focus is on Friday because there's a large enhanced risk for severe weather up the Mississippi River there. As we zoom in to southern Wisconsin, that enhanced risk does make its way into parts of Grants and Lafayette counties there. Everybody else, including Dane County, under a slight risk for severe weather with less up to the north. So this will be something to pay attention to. We'll keep you updated here. But thunderstorms looking more and more likely with a high of 62 on Friday, 40s with morning snow on Saturday. Then we'll settle into the upper 50s by Sunday with more rain chances into early next week.